It's not gonna happen. So they started saying, no, we can no longer go on shooting naye. Ubusi has the attitude, nan. Yes, this is my life, because at the end of the day, no man ngashon. So me appearing on TV like yeah, you guys hence no man nabantu, but I always say I'm not a celebrity. I'm just a normal human being. I'm just a normal human being. So my dad is getting old now. Right now, makshaya ikhathi December, I'm supposed to go home. Ngiyasaba because manje angazi ukuthi uzongicuthelaphi uguy. What if angishaye, because he once said ukuthi mina mase ngidecide ukuthi angisafuni mina nawe siphile soyi-2. Angeke ngifihle, I'm gonna do it mall noma kuphi, but you should know ukuthi once I say sesikhathele, definitely I'm going down with you. Ungangitsheli ngalabo abanye. Nginabo just because of imali. The only girl engayithanda pure ingenamali, that was you. That was you. Not the girlfriend, the current girlfriend, Avera na TV Ayala. Mina na we having a contact. One invite her, we started talking. She started begging me to come back to the relationship. I'm like, no, mama, that person is toxic. I know everything.
She or something, but
time you wanted to take your life. Waphuza amapilisi all because of usiya. Wabuya wazongikhombisa. I remember it was January. Ezongikhombisa ethi buka lo uthi uyibulalela mina. I don't care, mina ngithandela imali. And bayamupha imali, mind you. They even share bed ningama girlfriend ni3 nilinde indoda yena empedweni. I'm like, no, don't beg me to come back. Because mina I'm not coming back kule relationship. But the only advice I can give you, phuma while you still can. Phuma while you still can. But anyway, mawuzo advise exit. You will think ukuthi no, because of we baby mama, she wants to come back. No, I don't want to come back. Angisizi ngalutho, ngizimaintainela abantwana bami. And still noma ngiba maintain abantwana bami, the only wish he has is for me to lose my job. Come back and beg. Angikhulumi ngomuntu mina oshayana kuphela, ngikhuluma ngomuntu mina ongihambela inyanga day in day out. To say ngifuna ukuphela umsebenzi, ngifuna buye. Mina they helped me idliso ngalikhipha ekhaya. They did help me idliso laphuma. Ayiphumeni kwami idliso, then umqondo wabuya. Luckily umqondo wabuya. Ngakwazi ukuthi umfana ngingasamthandi. Ngakwazi ukuthi umfana ngingasamthandi. You understand? And then leyo nto leyo made him angry. Iyamnyanyisa to say wenza kanjani? Because wena uright mama uguqa ngamadolo. Ubuye kimi uthi baba boy ngicela imali. Abuye athi nayi 1.5 for 2 kids.
So meaning that nje we got the you wouldn't survive without him on the show.
That's what's irritating him. And I'm like, you will see. Ngizoliyeka ungeno. You think ukuthi ungeno is the only thing in survive ngayo. God will make a plan. And immediately when I stopped ukushoot ungeno, ngaphuma kusiya. Ngathola umsebenzi. It just always mangihlukana noSiya umsebenzi ngiyawuthola. But mangiqala ngibuyelana noSiya into zami ziyaqala ziyavaleka. Sorry ziyabheda kwenzeka yonke lento. Still akafuni ukungiyeka. Akafuni and usasho ukuthi ngeke ngize ngikiyeke.
Lenyanga ihamba inamandla ibona amandla wakho.
Awu,
Yikho engafuni nje ukuyeka ubona inhlanhla le kwena ukuthi wema. Manje busi ngingakalokuze awuthi ngibuzeke manje after you guys have broken up and everything. Usuthuswa yini ke manje yini lengaka ke manje aseyenza mhlambe let's say mhlawumbe sikhulume ngezinto zakho mhlawumbe ongashuthi like let's say day before yesterday this is what happened. Like yini lengaka manje how is the relationship after?
Okay, after we broke up, okay, ngadate uGuy uZene. Ngadate uGuy uZene. And then me dating uZene, okay, angishuthanga ne-current guy engiyidatayo, but ngishuthe nobhuti wakhe uSandile. Hence you know ukuthi bekune story sokuthi ngidate ubhuti kaZene, the guy oke washona emakhaya. And then into eyenza ukuthi ngiqala ukuthuka, I remember masisahlukene noSiya ngoDecember ufuna ukuthengela abantwana. uthengele uboy, special uboy ke. Ethi ufuna ukuthengela abantwana. I think it was 2023, sorry, 2023. Ethi ufuna ukuthengela abantwana. Okay, ngahamba naye emall. Mind you, ngiyahamba nalomuntu knowing very well he wish me bad. Ane? But ubuye athi no, ngifuna talented, does he really dates me nginyeza lapho? Ngifuna ukuthi ngithengele abantwana and so all. So along the way while he's driving, he was like, you know ukuthi ngayifaka le moto la preaching. So manje nami se already sengizenza umuntu oqinile. Ngithi no, if you feel like izokwenza happy leyo nto, shaya imoto preaching sife siphumule. Ahleka athi no, anye ngize ngiyenze leyo nto leyo. We went to the shop sathengela abantwana. Mase sibuya, he stole my phone. Ane? He stole my phone. Mangehle emotweni, okay, ngifuna ukuhambisa uboy salon. I'm like, shit, phone, usiqeda kuhamba. Siya emotweni lapho kune phone, athi ayikho phone even today. Siya called wonke umuntu wesilisa beka lapho kuleyo phone. Wonke. When I say wonke, nawe ngabe bekakutholile ubezokufonela.
Bekazongifonela ke mina.
Actually, ethi I will see you, stay away from my wife. What, yeah, ngacishe ngalahlekelwa abantu abaclose nami samba hamba to say ngiyasize sikhona indaba yendoda yakho ezosibulala. I'm like, indoda yami yipi? Anginandoda mina. The only guy I'm dating uguy osescourt kwathiwa lutho uno baby daddy wena ushadile umfazi womuntu.
Wena umfazi we-own into egathwe ngesibhamu wena.
Kahle wena kahle ufuna ukubulalisa amadoda abantu. Other than that wena umfazi womuntu. So I'm like, no. Like, see, like, why would you do that? Why would you do that? Awugcini ngokungijontshela impahla. Uyofuna impilo yami. Ungijontshela amafoni. Now ufuna ukungibona ngiphelele umsebenzi. Kahle yini ufuna ukuyibona kwenzeka kimi? Like, why mina ngomama abantwana bakho intimidate? And the worst part manje awusase nabantwana abayi2, una plus minus 7 yabantwana and no baby mama, awuna baby mama. Like mina baby mama basiya laba abangilandela emuva abafica mina. They hate me to the core. I think you all know season 2 whereby ubuso bami bebolile ubuso like bubolile like yo, it was too much. You understand? Beku too much abantu basithuka to say ngeke laba bayagula kunjani sisho isichitho kungasinto yokudlala ukuthi survival of the fittest. Lapha yaba kwi survival of the fittest ke lapho khalizisu ke manje. Whereby ngayi share story yakho ukuthi I remember manje yoTeta I had complications ngalo mntana omncane. They even asked ukuthi bang remove isibeletho and then ngala because I knew what was happening. Udokotela mangethi no, anyeke usakwazi ukuthola abantwana going forward ngalo mntwana wokugcina. So the only thing singakunika amaphepha ukuthi mawushoda ngegazi usign and then sicela ukuthi sikhiphe isibeletho. And then I was like ngizosign legazi mangishoda ngegazi or whatever, but isibeletho I will never do that. I'm still young, angareach ne-30. So ukuthi isibeletho sami sizokhishwa, that's not gonna happen. It's not happening. Angikhiphe isibeletho mina. Okay, kwayeke kanjalo ke kwakhulekwa ke kwenza whatever ke finally my baby girl arrived baby girl right engena lutho, mind you baby girl akanakiwe ke. So I decided to say, you know what, this is my baby. But still, and remember umthetho wase court, baby daddy is allowed ukubona abantwana wena uyabondla noma kabondla ubaba. You cannot ukuthi uthaphume ebantwaneni. Do you understand me? And okay, one thing about to say bambuze court ukuthi okay abantwana athi ngizobabona mabe na 18. But immediately masiphume court, he made a phone call woza ngikhambisa endlini. I'm like no, mina ngokuba manje ngisendleleni endlini. There's no need ukuthi wena ungihambise endlini. I'm fine with that. So it's a lot manje mina, okay, mina manje ungishaya emotional. Uyangiblackmail emotional, whereas the current girlfriend uyamgxoba shem, uyamgxoba like uyamgxoba girl. And then I was like, sometimes you know what, mina I was once like you, and then kwakhuluma nawe angeke sangisiza nga next until ke usubona ukuthi usu right ke. I don't know if wena you will make it njengoba mina I made it, ngakwazi ukuphuma kusase nesikhathi. But mina ngitshelile ngifuna ukukutshela kona until as I find out those screenshots ukuthi data different girls, you know, none. I'm like sekukuwe girl ukuthi decide ukuthi wenzani, but mina I've warned you ngenzela ukuthi nakusasa umntana abantu I don't know if uyekile ubuthisha wayohlala eNatal kuningi nje kuyaphithizela nje kiwa phezulu kiwa phansi, but ekugcineni uncenga yona igirlfriend yakhe to say buyisa umama kaBoy, buyisa kahle lo mama kaBoy yiswaphi. Ngize ngambuza ngathi ufuna ukuzothwala ngami input. Mina I never had a problem. Mina I'm not toxic. I never had a problem ngokukhuluma noSiya. I always wanted to see ukuthi abesempilweni yabantwana bakhe. But you cannot say ukuthi usempilweni yabantwana bakho but ufuna ukucontrol impilo yami as if like kunento yenzayo or contributayo. Bengifuna ukuthi abe khona while angasupport. And then like people will ask me like why umvumela akakusizi nganext none. Try to understand uBoy wazi ubabakhe. uBoy ukhule between umama nobaba. uBoy ukhule between umama nobaba.
Yeah.
So nje it's a lot. So manje ngasho ngathi no. I think I don't know what's going. Sorry. So manje naye umntwana I think manje sekufika isikhathi. I don't know if it's the right time but angikwazi ukuthi ngalibe ngifihlela umntana ukuthi kwenzakalani, because I remember the last time lo muntu esikhuluma ngayo nephone ne, and my son is very smart. One thing ke ngoBoy uhlakaniphile. Une phone lo muntu esikhuluma ngaye last time ungenile wabuza ukuthi ngibona status sakho uthi unyanyile. Yini kunyanyisile? I'm like no man, ayikho into enginyanyisile, into zasemsebenzini nani. So okay, I thought maybe we should date. Ngithi no date akenzanga next.
So which means at this point the kids are also aware. Now tell me Busi, you know with this now dating le yokuhlukanisa ke manje ngoba khona babuzile labathi would like dating different partners, like let's say lapha abantu abagay mhlambe nabantu yabani is he really bisexual, does he date abantu ababulili ubufana nobakhe mhlambe, and leyo nto mhlambe yafika kanjani kuwena, into ezoyichaza ithini enganeni futhi mhlambe?
Okay. Okay. Remember, Sia once appeared no polite, which is I don't know if it was content or they were really dating. But recently, I found out. There are people who talk to me. As easy as I figured and clear, like no baby date wako besingazi ukuthi uyi girlfriend nayo or uyi boyfriend yomunye umuntu. You understand? So I don't know, sometimes ukuthi umuntu mangitshela into mhlambe utry ukungitest ukuthi ngifuna ukubona uzofila kanjani. And then I'm like no, impilo yakhe. He can do whatever he wants to do. Okwakhe angihlangani mina. But mina the day that time ngisadate naye akaze ngambona ethandana nomuntu wesilisa. You understand? But manje ziyafika ukuthi no naye, that's why the last time masukana nje manje recently ngimtshelile ngathi ayikho into engizoyikhuluma mina no ne passengers princess. Omunye umuntu angikhulumi nomunye umfazi mina. Ayikho into engizoyikhuluma nawe phela wena uyi girlfriend manje. Uyi girlfriend wena. Uyi-girlfriend wena, so ayikho into engizoyikhuluma nama-girlfriend. So I never wanted to do this, but ngiyabona ukuthi manje ungiphushela to the edge whereby angisakhoni. And then I was like nalento yakho nje yokulika ushintsha amantombazane siyeke lesithwalo sakho mangabe uthwele ngabantwana babantu. But what I know, they are not happy and uyabahlukumeza. They are not happy and uyabahlukumeza and bayabuyela, but there's nothing we can do. Just that ikusasa mina I don't want people to say justice for Mamkhize. Yikho namhlanje ngikwazi ukukhuluma ukuthi whenever or if anything happens, just know ningalibe round needs angisho ukuthi babuye bazongibulala bese bazi ukuthi ngoba nizobheka uSiya. No. It was supposed to be kube clean, okay, 10 years wethu uhlulile ku relationship, asikhulisa abantwana separately, une partner yakho ngine partner yami, we move on. If I can't have you, no one will have you. Angeke yime ngakwenza ube isidudla ube ngaka. Mina ngangisidudla vele from ngimncane ngenziwa ngomunye umuntu. Angikaze ngaba isilenda in my life. Kade nje ngaba isidudla kuqala ngoSiya. ukuthi ngizoba isidudla.
I think most of the time when it comes to abantu besilisa aba narcissistic babe nayo lento yokuthi mhlambe uma esebona ukuthi mhlambe you are willing to mhlambe ukuthi uhlukane naye to have your own life and abona mhlambe i-potential ne-power onayo musongaziphilela wedwa uyabe nayo ke le nto yokuthi ethi mhlambe akekho umuntu ozokuthola mawungabe ungashadanga nami like would rather die.
Yabona Fundi, one thing I can tell you about umuntu wesifazane. Wonke umuntu wesifazane une-power. Ane depending ku support system onayo. Ane depending ku support system. Yabona umuntu wesifazane masithi it's enough sekusho yena ke mhlambe. Sekusho yena. Sekusho yena. You understand?
Yeah.
So nje mase uzwa umuntu wesifazane ukuthi you know what akekho umuntu wesifazane ongena power and abantu besifazane they are very smart. That's why umuntu akwazi ukuthi akhulisa abantwana abayi5 ayi1 abe yi-provide abe everything angasebenzi. You understand? Abe yi-provide abe everything bakhula abantwana baba maloya babe yini. Kusasa bese ayabuya lo ethi ingane zami bese zithi thina sazi umama and then that's when bafaka ukuthi abantu besifazane ba toxic bahlebela abantwana. But ngenkathi ushibiliza ucela ushukela kufundi ucela i1 rand people get irritated bezalelani wayazala azi ukuthi akakhoni. It's not the matter of fact ukuthi akakhoni but abantwana bakhanyeka zabalahla and uzohleza ikhetha yena nabantwana bakhe. Bazoba khona abanye ukuthi nikuphi nina abo God trusted us with these souls. Awuhleki ngesimo somuntu ungakafiki kuso. Awuhleki ngesimo somuntu ungakafiki kuso. And then at the end of the day mase befika kuso laba bebahlekisa ngawo ukuthi God trusted us with these souls. Wena sekufanele to understand ukuthi no futhi nje thina yazini I don't want ukuthi ngithi ngibhesha abantu besifazane nani engikwazi ukuthi nje kumabheketwana kunje it's because of sithandana nomfana usiya usuka ufika kimahlebelo. Ane that's what he normally does. Uzosuka ahlebe unompilo kimi ukuthi hayi umbona lo unjani asuke ngeindaba zami ayoyitshela unompilo. That's how you guys end up fighting and mhlawumbe efika komunye uthi mina ngijoli nalo mhlawumbe siyashoot content. I remember what content nolerado kwaze kwaqhamuka umntwana and then I'm like oh is it still content and then my producers was like bese ngesikwazi ukutshela you know ukuthi asikwazi ukuthi singamosha content because idrama ngeke zibe khona and what people want in South Africa they want idrama. Also that means people abanandaba nabantu and their emotions the only thing they care about idrama. Now people futhi abagijimayo bathi stop gender based violence. Are you guys saying that they only care about idrama? So izinto ezenzakalayo izinto esibhekane nazo. I don't care even if kusasa uyafika to say oh no you decided to expose me mhlawumbe ngizokubulala ekwenzeka amampela because it's been saying it for a while and manje ngibona ngayo manje ngendlela engibona ngayo mhlawumbe sekuzofika la fulfill khona I don't know I'm supposed ngiyavala emsebenzini I'm supposed to go home is Joburg supposed to go home mayikwazi ukuthola izithombe nabantu bamngishuthele sama my friends angipost angigcwalise i-data zakhe ekhuluma indaba zokuthi cha wazi wayisifebe what and then I'm like mina ngipost and I don't care ukuthi wenzani ngelife yakho like bro I don't care see I don't care because I remember the last time uzowathi kimi mangikhuluma naye wathi yo awusafuni next nekar the only thing engilindele ukuthi bathi nangi lapha yawushonile sithola ukuphumula emhlabeni that's the only thing engilindele ku other than that bra angisafeel next even ngikubona wavele washintsha waba mubi nokuba mubi for mina ebusweni bami no longer luyasiya luyabe ngimthanda vele umuntu mawumthanda mawungasamthandi vele uba yilento nje nawe ungayazi. So siyagoa there's a lot. Okay, I can see 10 requests guys. Angin ignore la bengisakhuluma. Okay, ngubani ngifana
Now busi awuthi ngibuze lapha so when it comes to umndeni kaSiya personally like yena yedwa abekho mhlawumbe abantu abadala ukuthi mhlawumbe bangamkhombisa indlela mhlawumbe noma abantu ongakhala kubona ubakhombise mhlawumbe ama messages lawa awasendayo afaka impilo yakhe engcupheni mhlawumbe abekho abantu abadala ongakhulumisana nawo noma nje kuyafana nje. Ngoba another thing Imoja Love yona ke is very disappointing as a channel whereby you guys are bringing umsebenzi kubona, you do as they request but more complain kubona about like they never take anything serious. How about umndeni wona?
As I said before, Manqala, I had usisi kaSiya obeke support. Remember uyomdala kubo. Ukhanyi supported me in everything. Even she even said to me, you know what, Bus, this is enough. You can still do this. Uyangibona mina ngikhulisa abantwana. Ungakwenza lokho engikwenzayo. Lo mfana wakithi uzalwa nami, just stay away. I remember futhi I think last month I called makshona ubhuti wakhe omdala ngifonela umamncane wakhe. She was like praying for you girls ukuthi niphume kulomuntu nizombona nini ukuthi usathana. Why ningaboni? I'm like no ncane mina kade ngaphuma kusiyabonga. And then ngiya understand ngiyangisho ukuthi uyangibona ukuthi all along angizi kusiyabonga kade wagcina ukungibona. So nje bengidlulisa ukuthi dudu but eka siyabonga yona anyikho kuyi. Usiyabonga doesn't listen to anyone. I've called abangani bakhe. Remember live bekufanele ngenze izolo. So there was umngani wakhe othe just give me chance before you go out. Uyokhuluma nabo bhuti. Yabo awuthi ngiphume out. Ngiyokhuluma nabantu mhlambe athi mayehleli phansi axoxe nabo bathi bayakhulisana then ngamfonela eyi1 ngambuza ngathi manihleli lapho nikhulisana nithini because he was like when he received my call was like hayibo mamkhize they used to call me uNdlunkulu hayibo mamkhize Ndlunkulu ngafonela I'm like no just know ukuthi mawufonelwa yimi umoshakele ku1 to 12 ngamlandela ngamqalela phansi he was like just give me a chance ngikhulume naye just give me a chance ngikhulume naye okay guy wa try ngathi ngizokunika 12 hours that's the only time I have for when 12 hours if uyahluleka I'm going live usiya akababona kusisi bakhe badala kodwa akababoni nganext ukhanyi uyo omdala akamazi nokuthi uyini uyisicathulo saliphi nyawo akamasi.
Is he the breadwinner lapha hlala khona?
I-breadwinner yakuphi ahlulwa ukondla abantwana abayi1000 kahle bo. I-breadwinner sekwaba yini? Akunama breadwinner la akenza indaba zama bread nina nondla yena amantombazane lawa ajola naye recently. Mawubona postile enzeni bayazondlela amageli bayamthengela whatever akayingeni nje futhi akadlali ngemali.
But do you think that Siya will ever change maybe in the future? Do you see him as a...
No, I don't think, and he's not gonna change. He's not gonna do that. How many kids does he have? Mina, I only knew two yami, one Galerato, but after that, I think there's 3 more or 4. I'm not sure. Mind you, 3 more or 4. My daughter is 2 years. Laba kabalandelayo wena nawe imagine emva kwakho ukuthi bayingakiki and banangaki labantu engikhuluma ngabo. I understand. So nje like lento yo too much like no baba ke angisakhulumi vele ngasho ngathi kuba nyenye ilibhade so since then
yeah
azange phinde ngibuyele kuba up until now. And so uba nenkinga especially December times ufuna ukungilawula ayithi ungayila iyala I'm like ngeke ngitshele uwe mina ukuthi ngenzeni. This is my life. Wena safika isikhathi sakho sakuhlula right now ubona ukuthi usuzokwazi ukungilobola ekubeni for 10 years ukuhlulile. Usubona manje ukuthi uzozenza izinto for 10 years zikuhlulile. It's because uyabona ukuthi mangiphuma ngiya komunye umuntu ngizothola umuntu ongcono kunawe ozongiphatha kahle. yabo, ongcono ozongiphatha kahle, ongcono ozongiphatha kahle kunawe. But still if aka change namhlanje, if bekafuna ukuchange, if uyabona you willing ubona ukuthi okay I've lost something by precious kimi, ngaba usaphakamisela omunye umuntu esifazane isandla, ngaba usakwenza lokho ushaya umuntu engathi ushaya umfana noma ushaya ini, and I doubt ukuthi mhlawumbe abafana uyakwazi ubashaya. I doubt, because indlela lo muntu ashaya ngayo amantombazane, no, it's not nice. It's not nice. It's not nice.
But
And then
with most,
yeah.
no, aqhubeka sisi.
And then you go out, you find people, buzz of judge, you say what? Like mina fundi like indlela sengistrong ngayo, I don't care. Ukuthi umuntu uthini. Ubone la bebangena bafuna ukuthi bengibheshe benzeni oyi1 wakhona ngazi sonke istory sakhe ukuthi right now njoba ifuna ukuzokhuluma la. Uhlala nendoda emshayayo day in day out, but akusinda zami. I-choice yakhe le. Choice yakhe le. Abefuna ukukwenza. So anyway, ukuthi umuntu uthini ngasiphi isikhathi, like bra, I'm even glowing to show ukuthi ngi-right la ngikhona, and I can do it without umuntu wesilisa, and I'm very proud of myself. Noma ngingakafiki la ngifuna ukufika khona, but I'm very proud of myself because a lot abaphumi, I'm telling you, a lot baphuma nge-coffin. A lot baphuma nge-coffin. Yabona if abantwana babantu beyingekho yonke lento ngabe namhlanje asi Team Purple. Angithi ngaba yiki Team Purple namhlanje, but because the data ama narcissist bese siyawa protect. Bese siyawa protect ekugcineni, bese ekugcineni kukhala thina. And then people will come here bethi bekangakhulumi ngayo, ubethuleleni. But umuntu mayeqala kancane ethi uyazama uyakhuluma, nikijimela ukuthi no, but kusasa sokhuluma or sizokulalela but uzobe sobuyele kuyi. Allow that person inhliziyo yakhe idele. Akadeli, but mina ngisho ukuthi noma ungakadeli zama uphume kusasa nesikhathi, because it might happen ukuthi ungayitholi chance. Nami ngingama la namhlanje ngikhulume ngithi usiye ngithi ngiyafetobek angishaye ngesibhamu ngwele phansi, but at the end of the day nizosho ukuthi okusalayo wakhuluma ukhona kusho, siyazi sine proof, plus internet ayikhohle, sine proof ukuthi okusalayo she did raise her voice. I don't care no abantu bangathi hayi wena awubukeki ngathi uyabhulisheka or wenzana. I've been through that, done that, got the casket and buried it. Now ngiyazama ukuthi ngibuild i-tombstone, not to say I don't have wounds ngaphakathi. Siqhuba nawe, impilo iqhubeka nawe, khona amanxeba ayavuza, but anyeke azavuzela omunye umuntu. Anyeke azavuzela umuntu. For 9 months I've been praying, but abanye mabethi abanye bathi bacela lokhu, ngithi nje Nkosi ungisize ngithola umsebenzi ngikwazi ukukhulisa abantwana. So I'm even praying namhlanje ukuthi ama girlfriend akhe, I just wish ukuthi basithole strength sokwazi ukuthi bamiyeka azobona ukuthi he's nothing. Usazonishela ukwenza ne-in-drive manje, khululekani usazonishela. Imkome futhi khululekani, niyaqomana vele nina, ayikho inkinga, hayi ndakunamona. Ningalibe ningithe okay, la singathola i-comment ethi usiujola noThisha uzizwa kanjani. And then I was like, ukuthi when is stupid, you know nothing about me. Kwaloyo siya loyo. Wena you know nothing about me, uzobrekela mina ngosiya. No, zama omunye mhlambi. Zama omunye. So nje ekugcineni okusho ukuthi ufuna hayi sisifikile khale ngimbono siswabo omdala ushare life. Ekugcineni ufuna ukuthi kwenzeke ngendlela yakhe. So far abantwana bami ba right. I'm trying my best to be the best mom. Osisipam they are there. My elder sister omunye omdala ongaphezulu kwasisipindile is raising my son very well. Osisipam bakhona bangisupporta. Ifamily yami nje ikhona. Bangisupporta, they are there nami even though bengingabalaleli before. Ngoba nami I was blinded by uthando. Mangasho.
Ayithi chumu yo ayogaba.
Yeah, angikaphanga Chomi ngidla inyama yengwenya.
Wathi maqedile inyama yengwenye wavuleka amehlo wabona ukuthi no.
Ngabona ukuthi no man, this is bullshit. Lo mfana uyangihlanyela.
Yeah.
Ngaqala ngambona manje ukuthi no, ngabona izinto bengingaziboni. So umuntu mayeqala athi I'm like mina guys ngafaka iring plus minus 5 years elibethi nje ngizokushada. Eze ngachitha sishintsha ama ring. Shintsha nje ama ring. But that was then ke. Now it's now. You understand? So yeah, Fundi, that's all I wanted to share namhlanje. So yikho lokho guys ukuthi ningasibona sihamba kusasa masiwa, don't say uyazenzisa noma unjani, sikuphethe kuningi ngaphakathi, we dealing with a lot.
And then most of your followers bayakusupporta kakhulu. Ngiyezwa lapha ukuthi you appreciate a lot of support that you get from your family, your sisters and everyone. And nalana kuma comments uyabona nje ukuthi bayakusupporta kakhulu, khona basho ukuthi you are very beautiful and very strong and very intelligent, you know, and they are very grateful ukuthi ukwazile ukuthi uphume lapha yane kule relationship leyana ngesikhathi. Yebo Nkosi yami ngona uhlalile wabe usuya experience ayo, but yabona nje bayakuncoma kakhulu. Abanye nje banakho futhi ukuthi bafise nabo ukuthi bekhulume ama side abo mhlambe itori with whatever that they've been through. Angazi mhlambe lapho uma check ama requests maybe and get a few advices if you guys have something you want to say kubusi mhlambe, or mhlambe situation that you've been through waphuma kanjani wena noma ufundani kulento ekhulunywayo namhlanje, o check lapho busi bangenise sizwe ukuthi bafisa ukuthini.
Okay, I think ngiba acceptile. Yeah, accept. Guys ngiyabona ama request ne. Ningaze nithi uma mkhize bla cause manje after life ngizeni ngibone 2030 ngiyadlala.
Oh bazothi